Hello, and welcome back to our partner training series presented by ServingIntel for your point of sale system. In today's video, we will continue to discuss and explain the operations of our Recall Close Check button and its abilities. More specifically, today we will learn how to utilize our Recall Close Check button to reopen a check and change the media or payment type. Because as we learned in our previous video on this feature, some of the most common server mistakes are made when closing out a check. Even the most skilled server can accidentally close a check to cash when it needed to be charged to a credit card. So today, we will learn how to do just that. And to begin our process, we will get logged into our front-end terminal as a manager and navigate to the manager screen. We will then locate our Recall Close Check button or buttons, depending on how you decided to set up your system. And for today's example, we will recall a closed check by check number. So we will click that button and enter the check number for the check that we would like to reopen when prompted. This will bring us to our Recall Close Check screen. And you will notice that along the right side we have an array of activities that we can conduct now that we have pulled this check up. And the first option is just a simple OK check mark button. Clicking this button will not reopen the check or affect any changes to this check. But the next option that we see is the Change Tender Types option. And this is the option that we will be learning about today. So we will go ahead and click that button, and when we do that, we will be brought to the Select New Tender screen. And looking over this screen, you will notice that we can apply previous credit card authorizations if they existed in this check by selecting this button right here. We can also select any combination of these payment types, just like you would be able to if the check hadn't been previously closed first. So once we decide and apply our new payment method, we will click OK. And voila, we have now changed the payment tender type for our reopened check. So make sure that you check out the other videos in this series to learn about the other operations that you can conduct when recalling a check. And before you leave, don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to the ServingIntel channel. That way, you can stay up to date on the latest tips, tricks, and new technologies, all available to you from ServingIntel. And as always, if you encounter any issues with this or any aspect of your system, please call the ServingIntel service desk for 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week premium software support by dialing 1-888-477-7711 and selecting extension 2. Support tickets can also be generated by sending an email to service@servingintel.com. And your support requests will be handled quickly and efficiently by one of our highly trained and dedicated support staff members. Thank you for tuning in to our Partner Learning Series, and be on the lookout for more helpful videos and tips coming soon. And most importantly, thank you for choosing ServingIntel for all your restaurant technology needs.